Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Nay. Today we're going to read a book called Our World by Teacher Nay. Let's begin. We live on the earth. I see clouds in the sky. I see the sun in the sky. I see a tree. I see a mountain. I see a river. I see a rainbow. I see a flower. I see the moon and stars in the sky. I see a volcano. I see a forest. I see the sea. I see a fence on the land. I see a rabbit. I see a fox. I see a bat. The end. Now, boys and girls, we're going to read Our World Flashcards. I'll say each word 3 times. You can repeat after me. Let's go. The earth. The earth. The earth. Cloud. 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 Sky. 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 The sun. The sun. The sun. Tree. 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 Mountain. 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 River. 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 Rainbow. 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 Flower. 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 Moon. 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 Stars. 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 Volcano. 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 Sea. 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 Fence. 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 Land. 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 Rabbit. 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 Fox. 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 Bat. 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 That's it, boys and girls. Good job. Goodbye. See you next time.